Well, hey kids, here we are at testing ground number 1 with part 2, finally, of our maiden flight with AC2, as it's going to be called, AC2 V1, which is my Discovery Pro. And finally, we had some gimbal problems at the beginning, but we're back from the fixers now, and hopefully it's all working. I haven't quite tested it yet. This will be its first flight since it's been back, so we shall see. We'll try on the first battery to do something very minimal. We've got a 4,000 milliamp hour thing in there. I've forgotten to bring the little voltage checker that I usually use to tell the voltage, but fortunately we should be able to go over here and see that the voltage is being displayed on the screen thanks to the lovely circuitry inside our disco. Now, before we do anything with it, let's pick it up, turn our GoPro on first of all. We'll pick it up and see if it looks like the gimbal's working. Hey, so look at that, definitely wasn't doing that last time. And up and down, looks like it's working as well. So, brilliant. Let's get in the air and see how she flies. But before we do that, and we'll just give the gyro a chance to settle again. See how we're doing for GPS lock. Yeah, we're still missing one satellite. We're using the Naza-M V2 here. I say V2, it's not, it's a V1 updated to V2 software, but still using the old PMU, as you can tell by the little flashing LED unit PMU at the back. Right, let's also go over to our screen over here. Note out in the open in case I need to be flying up here and easily see. But now let's get our GoPro lined up. Yep, there we go. Now, as you can see on here, we have our voltage displayed, 16.3, so that's a little bit low, mental note. And also, you see our goggles up here, if we want to see through those. But we've got a camera switcher here, which allows us to go between that, which is the FPV cam, and that, which is what the GoPro's seeing. And the joy of that is that I can pan that up to the sky like that, or down to the ground 90 degrees, all the way down like that. And the reason that's not actually in the grass is only because I've got some extra landing skids fitted. So let's go back up to, so let's have a look. Yeah, I ordered these 3D printed landing skid extensions here, which are snap-on, so very quick and easy, which means you can still use the Discovery case with it. I think they're about £3 each or something from, maybe was it 10 Tech Racing or something, 10 Tech RC. Anyway, we'll see how they get on. Let's put our GoPro in record and go for our first flight. Timer on. Oh, pretty much perfect GPS hold there. Bit sloppy on the yaws. Yeah, very sloppy on the yaw. That makes me think either the gain isn't high enough, or I've got some prop slip from the grapplers, which is not impossible. Gimbal still looks like it's doing the right thing. Some sideways drift. 5 volts, we've got to come down. There we go, all down for a very short flight, only 4.5 minutes there, but we were on a half depleted 4000 battery, so that's quite good.